Right then, so excuse the mess. I just said I'd show you where I finished up. So that's all done, and then I undercoated it all. While I was at it, I undercoated all that, and the new one, I just stuck my number plates up there just for something to have up there. So that's all undercoated, and I undercoated this. And it ran out of undercoat then, so I'll do the back one at a later stage. I can take that off and do it, so that's not a big deal. It was a bit of a can I had, just a bit in the bottom of it. So yeah, there we go. Even in the white it looks an awful lot better. What do you think, Giz? Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? I see ya. That's the baby. And yeah, it's coming along now, taking shape. Quite pleased with how things are progressing. Look nice now when it's all painted. And I'm going to, at some point, do the walls and all that, but I'm not going to do what I normally do, where I pull everything out. There's too much stuff in here now, so I'm just going to have to paint around everything. So it is what it is, and it'll be grand. Fresh coat of paint. It hasn't been painted in a good few years, 6 or 7 years maybe. And I'm thinking about doing the floor again. I don't know whether I will or not. I have this thing in my head about tiling it as well, but I don't know about that either, because if you drop something on it, it's cracked. So we'll just have to wait and see. So there you go, lads. That's where we are for now anyway. So I'm pleased with this, and pleased with the lights, and that's the camera Dugene all painted, just made out of shite basically. So yeah, I just have a lot of stuff on the floor here now, because I had to take everything down off various places to make room to paint. So yeah, we're quite pleased with that now. So we'll get you in the next one. All the best.